At ERA, the company assumes financial responsibilities of the photographer, floor plans, video aerial shots, direct marketing efforts, digital advertising to ensure it is done well. The company is involved in all listings and committed to ensuring client satisfaction. ERA makes my job easier by having long-standing efforts in place to reach potential clients, both locally and globally. Google Ads drive an average of 30,000 visitors to CapeCodERA.com monthly. This brings more eyes to our website, providing more views on our listings. ERA has the most visited, keyworded, and searchable real estate website on Cape Cod. In addition to marketing efforts, ERA provides sales and administrative support. Paid staff will show a property in the absence of the listing agent, so showings always happen when requested. Because if a house can't be shown, it diminishes access to potential buyers and may not sell at the best price point. And finally, clients and agents benefit from ERA's 50 years of experience, thus increasing the likelihood of successful and satisfying real estate transaction experiences. Effectively marketing a property makes a huge impact. It can be the difference of selling price point, time in the market, and all of this translates into dollars. ERA is the right choice because there's no second chance to get it right the first time.